Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about the safety audit. The topic we are going to cover is: what is a safety audit? Types of safety audits. What is the need for a safety audit? How to conduct a safety audit? Benefits of safety audits. Safety audit report. So, let's start with what is safety audit. A safety audit is a process to assess the health and safety of a workplace is called a safety audit. A team obtains information on a place's activities during an audit. They point out risks and provide instructions on how to make the location safer for workers. Audits are used by organizational leaders to create safety protocols for their team members. According to its scope, there are three basic types of safety audit. They are management system audit, compliance audit, and program audit. We will start with the most basic type of safety audit, compliance audit. The compliance audit is done to check whether you have complied with all the applicable safety laws, standards, and other requirements. The compliance audit can be done by government safety inspector or other external safety auditors. This depends on your country's safety rules, safety management system, etc. The second type of safety audit is program audit. The safety auditor will check safety programs implementation that you have planned or as a mandatory program set by the government or other parties. The third is safety management system audit. This type of safety audit is an overall audit, where the compliance and program will also be conducted at the same time, besides checking the safety management system itself. OSIS 18001, ISO 45001 and Responsible Care (RC) safety audits are examples of safety management system audit. The overall safety management system performance will be inspected regularly based on its standard. After you know the three types of safety audit, the next step is to learn how to conduct a safety audit. The effectiveness of a safety audit program cannot be fully predicted using the traditional methods of risk analysis or historical precedents. A successful program run is not guaranteed, and conducting audits can be resource draining as it requires a lot of manual effort, experience, and competent management. Audits require thorough procedure checks, adherence to multiple checklists, understanding of OSHA rules and other norms, and effective data collecting. The payout for these procedures frequently falls short and, in the event of a violation, might result in expensive restitution. 5 important steps to an effective safety audit. Step 1. Audit planning. Step 2. Audit execution. Step 3. Compile the audit report. Step 4. Set corrective action plans and process improvements in motion. Step 5. Communicate results. Now let me explain to you what is the need for a safety audit. Regular inspections to check for conformity with standards. Recognizing, documenting, and reporting safety infractions. Dealing with management and staff compliance with safety. The machinery should be periodically inspected. Assuring adherence to other requirements and OSHA safety audits. Recommendations to improve workplace safety. Safety audit is the only program that can help you anticipate and address safety issues by conducting regular inspections to guarantee ongoing compliance. Monitoring staff safety compliance and management engagement. Telling the business to make its safety regulations stricter. Finding safety hazards and communicating audit findings. Verifying compliance with Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA) and other health and safety regulations. There are several ways that safety professionals might profit from a safety audit. Some only perceive it as a legal requirement, while others see it as an essential indicator of operational safety. The safety auditor will publish a safety audit report at the conclusion of the audit day. All of the conclusions and advice obtained throughout the audit are mentioned. Whether OSIS 18001, ISO 45001, Responsible Care (RC), or another safety standard is chosen will determine the level of findings and recommendations. This holds true for the internal safety audit as well. After the audit is complete, a report on the internal safety audit will be published. Thank you for watching this video. Visit our website to upscale your skill in the field of safety and auditing. The link is in the description.